Welcome to Larry's Jerk Spot. What can I get you?
I want a Magnum tonic.
You don't need Magnum cause you're not getting anything from Alicia tonight.
Who told you I want to know what you're doing tonight?
I need no manum. I shouldn't all night.
What did he just say?
How about some translation, please?
I think he said something about something that made no sense. He probably wants a drink.
Then give him something. What about Roots tonic?
We don't serve that here. But if you want anything else, let me know.
Messy and I need no manum. I shouldn't all night.
Okay, nothing for you.
Let's split some jerk wings. Me really hungry.
For real, send it on.
Oh yeah, free food, I'm down.
Me hungry right now.
Okay, we want jerk wings, curry chicken back with white rice.
Chicken done. Anything else?
Alright, send on some patty and cocoa bread.
Spicy beef, chicken and spinach.
And 4 cream soda.
Patty and cocoa bread done. We run out of cream soda.
Then what you got left?
Cow foot and tripe and beans.
Don't bother with that. Just bring us some water.
Water gone. Anything else?
Seriously, what else you have left?
Honestly, we don't have anything else. The only thing I like is the rum cake.
Okay then, bring us 4 slices of rum cake and 4 bottles of stone ginger wine.
Rum cake done. Stone ginger wine done. Anything else?